Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little tour of Leilani's room. This is probably one of the most requested videos for me to do, so I figured today would be a perfect day to show you around her room, and I'll try my best to tell you guys where everything is from, but in case I miss something, just leave a comment and then I'll reply to you guys as soon as I can. So this is Leilani's room. This is her bed. We decided to have a bed in her room instead of like a crib or anything like that. That way we could use this as a guest bedroom. We figured this will be perfect. We kind of use this as like a guest bedroom slash playroom, and it's working out really well for us. So over here we have some picture frames when she was small. Look at that, she's so adorable. And the little crown up there is from 99-cent store. These you can get at Walmart and they're pretty affordable. Over here I made her little bow display with ribbon, and I attached the ribbon behind the little sign. I kind of want to get like a unicorn sign, but I mean for now that's working really well. She does have these shelves where we're displaying some of her Minnie Mouses, Hello Kitties, and Barbies. This is her little table where she'll come and draw and color. This little rug is from Burlington and it's super soft and fluffy. This is kind of her dresser, I like to call it. The previous owners that were here left this behind for us to use, which was so nice of them. In here we have her diapers and whatnot. Up here, right now I'm just displaying a few things like her Minnie Mouses. I made this little arrangement. The little balloon's all deflated, but I made that for her birthday party. And then we have a little box with a unicorn. Typically these aren't here, but I just wanted them off of the floor, and it just says Dream Big. I got these from the thrift store, the Minnie Mouses, such a good deal. This is a new find from Target. It was on mega clearance for like $2 or maybe $3. I did a whole video organizing these little storage units, so I'll link that video down below in case you missed it. But all these bins are from Five Below. I even did a haul in that video. And then I'm just kind of displaying a few things like lotions, her combs, that sort of thing. This is from Five Below too. I keep all of her little hair elastics in there and bows. Up here we have some shelves, and the little unicorn signs are from this one and this one. Those are from Burlington Coat Factory, and the little unicorn, Your Magical sign, is from Target. The L I actually spray painted. I got this at a thrift store and it was just like plain wood. I don't know if... Oh, it was white actually. Originally came from Marshall's, but I got it at a thrift store and I just spray painted it pink for her. This I also spray painted for her. I got this little storage cart from Goodwill. I probably paid like $4 or so, maybe less, because I remember it was supposed to be white, but it was like all tarnished and it was becoming orange. So I decided to buy it because I saw potential in it. I spray painted it pink, and then the baskets I went ahead and spray painted them purple. And this is kind of like her arts and crafts and stuff like that. So we have stickers, we have books. I mean, she doesn't know how to read yet, but she does like to open through the pages, and she kind of pretends that she's able to read. These are some of her coloring books and stickers. And then down here we have her puzzles. And I really like that. It's been working great for us. Over here we have kind of her little reading area. So we have a unicorn, we have a little bench that is also used for storage, and the little storage piece I got at DD's Discounts. This is from Ross. The little pillows are from 99-cent store. The little rug is from DD's Discounts. Everything I did in here was super affordable because, you know, I didn't want to spend a ton of money on decorating her room. I like to think outside the box and just go to like bargain shops, and especially like Ross, DD's Discounts, Burlington Coat Factory. This little sign. Swim with mermaids, chase a rainbow, ride a unicorn, play with fairies. That's from Burlington Coat Factory, along with these curtains that have little roses on the top there. So adorable. This is her little bed. She doesn't have a comforter. I'm actually on the hunt for one that I like. I just haven't been able to find one that I like. So for now, I'm just kind of using blankets and stuff. But the little unicorn in the middle is from Target. The sequins pillows are from Five Below, and a little white ruffle pillow is from the thrift store, and also the one with the little pom-poms, the white one with the blue pom-poms, that one's also from the thrift store. And then, yeah, that's basically her little bed. And then I added these. I might take these off because I don't really care for them. And I want to do something here still. Up there, I just put some little doggies. These are the Victoria's Secret doggies. She really likes those. This little sign. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. That's from Burlington Coat Factory. The little mermaids are from the Dollar Tree. They're little wall decals. Gorgeous. And then over here we have a lamp that I got at Goodwill for super cheap, but you can get it at Walmart. I have seen it at Walmart. And another unicorn box, a little picture frame that I still need a picture. And yeah, that's basically her little room. I did organize these drawers with you. I have a whole video about organizing this, so I'll link that down below as well in case you missed it. And I guess I can show you guys her closet because it's pretty clean for once. This is her closet. We just have, you know, like a regular stuff. I have some extra baskets up there. That's from Target's Dollar Spot. I love these little baskets up here. They're so cute. I just keep just some extra stuff in there, like they're like little radio things so you can hear your baby in case they're crying and you're in another room, you can hear them. The little shoe rack I mentioned before, that's from Ross. And a little backpack. These are her little toy baskets. So I keep those. Those are like meant to do your laundry and stuff, but I just use them as little toy baskets, and that's been working really well for us. And I'll show you the other side. This is the other side. All of these bins are from Ross. All of these little bins. I may switch the like minty green ones in the middle. That way we have kind of some coordination here. Extra blankets, a little box for like when she was little and stuff. I kept some of her little items there so when she grows up I can show them to her. This is a little like rack. I got that from a thrift store. I maybe paid like $2. I just hang her little doggy bag. She's got a panda bag, some bows, backpack, a hat, little Minnie Mouse ears, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, that is basically her room. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you saw something that you liked, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. Also, make sure you hit the little notification bell. That way you're notified as to when we're actually uploading the videos. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and my Facebook page. I will link all of that stuff down below for you guys. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys!